What's going on, YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today. A Litecoin right now, we're sitting at $192. We're up about 3.61%. What I want to do is look at Litecoin on the one-day time frame here, and I want to take a look at this chart pattern that we're forming for Litecoin and which way we may potentially break here in the days and weeks to come. So we're going to get into all this. If you get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we're going to dig into this. So the main thing that we're looking at here, guys, is this pennant slash, we'll call it symmetrical triangle. Now, typically for a symmetrical triangle, you want over about 30 days. Right now, we are sitting roughly at about 32 days. So we could say symmetrical triangle. We just got out of that pennant formation in terms of the length of time. So now, typically with symmetrical triangles, they're a neutral pattern. It's one thing you want to remember, but they have a little bit greater odds of breaking with the trend. And right now, as you can see here with the moving averages, the trend is up for Litecoin. We're up above our 200 EMA, we're up above our 100, and we are trading right now up above our 50. We have lost our 200 EMA, or I'm sorry, our 20 EMA in purple here. So that's one. If we zoom in, we're going to have to get back up above that. If you can see this here. So today we have wicked up to it. We saw a little bit of rejection. So we're going to have to start having daily candle closes up above that. But still overall in the macro sense, the trend is still up right now. Now, in terms of overhead resistance, what we're going to have to get through is that 20 EMA, and that's roughly going to be at $196. And then it's going to be up around that psychological round number of 200, and then be this upper trend line right here. And what you're looking for a symmetrical triangle breakout, you want to see a daily candle close outside of this trend line, and you want it to come on heavier volume to know that it's a true breakout. So right now, if we chop back up into this area, that could take us back to around maybe $218 before we potentially break to the upside, if that's the way we're going to break. And if that's the case, we would look to try to get up above roughly $238, then be up to around that $268. And remember, on this channel, we always want to have a plan for everything. So those are the upside targets. If we do end up rolling over here and we have a downside breakout, I would look back. A realistic number would be about $153.27, even all the way down to this 200 EMA. And that's roughly going to be at $130. So if we do get a big break out of here, whichever way it goes, you're going to watch for that volume. It could be pretty extreme because symmetrical triangles, you can see the volume is drying up here as we just continue to move sideways. So we still may have some more time moving sideways, and I just wanted to point that out to you. Now we're going to get into some fun stuff here, guys. We're going to go into coin market cap. We're going to look at the volume, all different types of stuff. But first, I want to get into the technicals here for my TradingView Pro. And what this is on the one-day time frame, you can see we're very neutral right now, and that's what a symmetrical triangle is. Basically, it's a neutral pattern. We have an 8 sell, a 9 neutral, and a 9 buy. Oscillators 1 sell, 8 neutral, and a 2 buy. So what we're looking at here is basically all neutral besides momentum's going to be a buy, MACD level is going to be a sell, bull bear power is going to be a buy. And then we have a lot of mixed signals here from the 10 to the 20. We're throwing that sell signal even to the 30 there, showing the sell signal. So we're trading below those exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. And then you can see some of the longer time frames here we're trading up above. Now, if we get into coin market cap, and I would love to hear your opinion on Litecoin, where you think it's going in this symmetrical triangle. Do you believe it's going to break out to the upside, the downside, or there's always the possibility that we just move sideways and this is irrelevant? So I would love to hear down low and where you see Litecoin at the end of the year, your type of prediction. I mean, are you thinking $500? Are you thinking $1,000? Are you a person who thinks we're going to have a massive downside break here? I know there's a lot of Litecoin haters who watch Litecoin videos, which I can't understand. You know, if I hated a coin, I wouldn't spend time watching it, but it is what it is. But I would love to hear even people who disagree that Litecoin's a good coin, even though it's in the top 10. It's been in the top 10, top 20 now for years. You know, out of over 9,000, about 9,000 cryptocurrencies now. So, you know, guys, in my opinion, I hate the tribalism that comes with cryptocurrency. I want all cryptocurrencies to do well. I want the whole boat to float. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just want money to come into this space and for everybody to do well. Some people, they just focus so hard on their coins and they get so mad and so upset. And I truly don't understand that at all. If you don't like a project, why would you waste your time on it? So also let me know about your thoughts down there, the crypto tribalism. In my opinion, a lot of us are like-minded. I think we should be sticking together in a time when, you know, our country's falling apart. So, you know, I wish I could say so much more, guys. I really do. But let's get back into this here. Let's go to coin market cap, and we're going to take a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin is number 10 right now. And with Litecoin, the volume has been increasing. little bit here over today. It's up about 24%. Market cap's at 12,900,000,000. And you can see right here for Litecoin, guys, we have not made it back to our previous all-time high yet. We have not broken that. You can see this big, massive rounded bottom that we've been forming. And if we go here into the log scale, you can see that Litecoin's clearly in an uptrend, these higher lows that keep coming in over the longer term, and this big swell of volume that's been coming back in. And that's where, just in my opinion, I don't feel as though Litecoin's done yet. I definitely feel like we could test the all-time high here, at least down the road, once, you know, this altcoin cycle, basically when money continues to trickle out of Bitcoin into Ethereum, then into some of these, you know, top coins, and then into the middle caps, and then the lower caps is typically what you look for. And what I always like to pay attention to is the Bitcoin dominance. Yesterday, I believe it was 60.8. Today, it's at 60.0. So we want to continue to see that drop so that we can get that serious altcoin season that everybody's looking for. You know, guys, and these are the things that I'm looking at when I'm looking at these charts, and I just want to share them with you the best I can in an informative way. So if you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Be patient. God bless each and every one of you.